Welcome to East County Preowned Superstore, your premier destination for purchasing pre-owned. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with rear view camera, all-weather floor liners, garage door transmitter, parking sensors, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, alloy wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, electronic stability control, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here at East County Pre-Owned Superstore, we've been San Diego County's best for over 20 years and the #1 independent dealership in California 15 years running. Let us prove to you why so many people trust us when it comes to buying their next vehicle. Our knowledgeable, no-pressure staff will help you drive away in a vehicle that is just right for you. So come visit us here at East County Pre-Owned Superstore. You'll be glad you did.